Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of classic and modern cars. Today we're excited to bring you an exclusive look at the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. This iconic American car has been reimagined for the modern era, and we can't wait to show you what it's all about. As we take a closer look at the Eldorado, you'll notice its sleek and sophisticated design. The lines are smooth, the curves are elegant, and the overall aesthetic is unmistakably Cadillac. But it's not just about looks. This car is packed with cutting-edge tech and innovative features that will take your driving experience to the next level. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look at the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest videos.